Welcome back, everybody. Jay here, Easy Astronomy. Just want to gather you around the telescope again really quickly. I know I just did a big post and I published my big astronomical events for 2026. I've made it's 2 pages, but you can print it front and back and have this if you want. I'll put it up as a PDF. I'll also link it from my Google Docs, so if you want to make a copy and have your own on your own drive, like I said, a lot of people like it like I do. I just like it on my drive. I can access it on my phone and just go with it and have it there when I need it. Anyway, so what are some of the highlights for 2026? Some must-see events. Total solar eclipse August 12th. The path of totality goes through Greenland, Iceland, and northern Spain. A partial eclipse for much of Europe and the North Atlantic. Probably the top astronomical event of the year. I say that, and something else, of course, is going to blow up in 2026 and replace that. But this will be one of the major events of the year. Coming through, there'll be a total lunar eclipse on March 3rd. It's a long, deep blood moon. Be visible North America, the Pacific, East Asia, and Australia. If you go to my other video and my other doc, you will see I have that path laid out. You can see it. You can actually go there and link it in and find exactly where you want to do, which reminds me I need to put that link in there. Then we have the annular solar eclipse on February 17th. It's a ring of fire eclipse. Unfortunately, this is going to be best in Antarctica, probably at the Antarctic stations that are down there. You'll get partial views in the southern hemisphere. The best is go to Antarctica. Maybe it's time to take a cruise to Antarctica. Hopefully, maybe somebody's offering a cruise to. You can see You can see it there as a ring of fire. Top meteor showers. The Quantids, January 3rd to 4th. They're brief but intense, but the moon is going to impact those. Perseids will be August 12th and 13th. Go to dark skies. Probably the best of the year to go out and take a look at those. Then you have the Leonids, November 17th, 18th. Those are usually fast meteors. Again, go to a dark site to see them. Some comets that could come up and flare up might be worth looking. Wirchos C2024 E1, January, February, probably a binocular comet. And then 10P Temple 2, July, August, be telescopic. More on comets in that other news that I put out. Some planetary highlights. Jupiter will be probably the prime telescopic target all year. It'll be the one at outreach events that people are showing off. So look for that. Saturn, okay now. It's fading really now quickly from the south to the west really quick in the evening. By about 9:30, 10 o'clock, it's just down in the muck right now. It will become excellent again in the summer and for fall viewing. And then Venus, look for its brilliant phases and conjunctions. Have a whole list of all those that are going to go on in that other post. The biggest supermoon, the largest supermoon was coming up on Saturday this year. But the biggest supermoon will be December 24th. There'll be one Christmas Eve. Get a load of that. Be the closest few. I guess Santa will have a great opportunity to navigate by the light of the supermoon, the full moon on Christmas Eve as he delivers presents. Maybe won't even need Rudolph, right? Anyway, it'll be the closest full moon of 2026. It's ideal for lunar and landscape photography, I guess, if you want to take a look at that. Best deep sky seasons, spring, you got Virgo and the Como galaxy clusters that you, of course, every spring you want to take a look at. Summer, you have the Milky Way, Sagittarius, Scutum. Scorpius is wonderful too if you're far enough south. Winter, of course, Orion, Pleiades, the double cluster, Perseus, Andromeda, Pegasus. A lot of people overlook the constellation of Pegasus in the fall. Don't overlook Pegasus in the fall. A lot of galaxies up there. Cetus is another one. Lots of galaxies there. Fall, just like spring, can be a galaxy season. If you look at my posts, I observe a lot of galaxies in the fall as well as the spring. So as you can see, that's just a quick hit. Hope you can find that. If you want a copy, go to Easy Astronomy. It will be there as a PDF or as a link. Merry New Year. Hope you have everything you want in the new year. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for gathering around again.